Hey everybody, so I've been busy. I've actually been on vacation, so we're gonna do an unbagging. Once again, I'm trying to catch up on my unbaggings for these companies and sellers and whatnot. So this is like a bag thing. Kind of weird. So, oh, these are my gloves. These are gloves for review. So I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.